We are again back to our Power BI desktop here. In this video, we are going to see how we can connect a web URL with our Power BI desktop and import the table from the web URL. So, as we know that to connect with any data source, we used to go to Home tab, and under this Home tab, we go to this Get Data option. If I click on it, I will see a web option here as well, or if I click on the upper clickable, and then I will see a navigator window here. Here also I can search for web option and I'll see web here. So just select this one and click on connect button. Meanwhile, just go to your Chrome browser or any other browser and search for the URL that you want to uh, connect with. So I have here the state Wikipedia for states and union territories of India, and I have this table over here. So you can search for it here. I'll paste the link into the description of the video. So just copy this link, go back to your Power BI desktop. Here you will see from web option over a pop-up here. Just paste this URL here and click on OK button. It will load or connect with this Wikipedia and then load the data after establishing the connection. So it takes few seconds to few minutes, and again it will navigate to you with the navigator window. There here you will have table view and web view. So you will see, under the web view you will see the web page, and under the table view you will see the preview of the table. So here are the table names written over here. If you click on the table name, you will see some kind of preview of that table, right? So you can check the table you want to connect with. So this is the table 4, and this is the required table that we can connect with. Just select or check the table here. You can connect more than one table at once. So that's all your wish. I can connect with these two tables or only the one. If you see there that you have any of the transformation there, you can go to transform data option. As I can see that I have this population column as the text column, this area column as a text column. So I can go to the transform data option, do the transformations and load it. So I am directly loading it. In the next tutorials, we will be learning how we can transform this data. So as of now, I am clicking on load button to get it load. It is loading the table and evaluating the columns, and it establishes the connection with the Power BI, and all the data will get loaded to our Power BI model. Once it's get loaded, you will see under this data pane, you will see the name of the table and all the columns over here. So in terms of Power BI, I have already mentioned this the previous videos. In terms of Microsoft or Power BI, this table is referred to as query, and all these columns are referred to as फील्ड्स. तो पावर बीआई के टर्म्स में इन इस टेबल को हम क्वेरी बोलते हैं और इन कॉलम्स को हम फील्ड्स बोलते हैं.